Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
What to make a task easy and finish it with a good ending. Rabbi yassir wala tuassir wa tammim bil khair.
Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope you will be fine. As you know, I am Miss Satya and today we will learn math for class 5. Okay, day is Monday and date is 18th of January 2021. Student, in our previous exercise, we have learned about the conversation of the time, like time units, hour, minute and seconds. Now today, we will learn about the conversion of year, months, weeks and days. Students, some points I am mentioning here and you will note this, okay? Note this carefully, that 1 year is equals to 12 months and 1 year is equal, okay, and also 1 year is equals to 52 weeks and 1 month is equal 4 weeks and 1 week is equals to 7 days. Very important, student. So 1 year is equals to 12 months. 1 year is equals to 365 days. 1 year also 52 weeks. 1 year is equals and 1 month is equals to 4 weeks and 1 week is equals to 7 days. Very important points are, student, you will note these all. Now student, exercise 5C, I am solving a question here and question is, what you have to do? You have to convert 8 years into months. Okay, into months. You have to convert into months. 8 year given and you have to convert into months. Start from solution. Starting here, as you know that 1 year is equals to 12 months. Okay, so what you will do, and we have to find the 8 year into convert. We have to convert this. How can? So 8 year will be, we have to find this. Okay, what you will do, you will multiply because we are going smallest to greater, so we will multiply. Now multiply 12 into 8 and this. Now we are multiplying in the calculation column. Calculation column, make here 12 and 8. 2 times 8 is 16. Okay, and 1 time 8 is 8 and add 1 9. Okay, now I am writing the answer here 96. It means, now write the proper answer here, 8 years is equals to 96 months. This is your answer. Next question is, convert 18 months into year and months. It means months are given and you have to convert these months into year and month. How can you convert? As it is same, start from solution. And as you know students, 12 months is equals to 1 year. And we have to convert 18 months. Okay. months. Okay, you have to convert. Into Now let's start. We are going smaller, greater to smaller. This is the greater value and this is the smaller. When we are going greater to smaller, so we will divide. For division, what I will do, I will placing inside and 12 outside. Now to the table of 12, 12 one time is, 1 time 12 is 12. Now rest of is 2 and 4, it will be 6. It means write the answer in proper form that 18 months is equals to 1 year and 6 months. Okay, this is your answer. Now we have to convert, and we have to change 18 months into week. This is the next question. What we will do, start from solution. Okay, now as you know student that 1 month is equals to 4 week. Okay, so we'll multiply 18 by 4. So 18 multiply 4. You have to write the answer here. Okay, we will multiply by 4 because 1 month is equals to 4 week and we have to find the 18 month. Now I am multiplying 18 by 4 in calculation column. Now read the table of 4. 4 times 8 is 32, 30 and 2 and 1 times 4 is 4. Now add 3 into 4. So it will be 7 definitely. Okay. So answer is 72. 18 multiplied by 4 is 72. So I will write that 18 months is equals to 72 weeks. This is the answer. We have to change 98 days into week. This one, as you know, in the starting of the lecture, I have written in on the board. The point is that 1 week is equals to 7 days. Do you know this? And we have to convert these days into week. Okay? Instead, now we have to find 98 days. So 98 days. So instead, we are going to smallest to greater. So what we will do? We will divide. Okay? So we will solve this division on the board, placing greatest value inside and smaller value outside. Read the table of 7. As you know, 1 times 7 is 7. Now subtract this 2. Copy 8 here. 2 times 7 is 14. Sorry, 4 times. 4 times 7 is 28. Completely cancel. It means answer is 14. Okay. We have divided. Now we can write this that 18 days is equal to 14 weeks. This is the answer. Now student, take out your book, count down book 5 and open book page 107. Exercises 5D. First come toward the question. Question 4. Change the given years into months. Question we have done in lecture, this question. So the rest of part A and B you will do in your copy. Now question 5 is change the given months into year and months. Months are given and you have to change into year. Okay, definitely you will divide this by 12. We have done in the lecture. All part A, B, C, D is your homework. So question 6 is change 18 months into week. We have done in lecture. Okay, so this part, both part are same. 7 week into days. What you will do in this? In 1 day there are 7 days. So definitely you will multiply 7 by 7. 98 days into week. We have done in lecture. This one question. and this is the same. Okay, 105 days into week. So definitely this method and this method should be, will be same. So you will solve as, you can solve by lecture. Question 7. Change 1935 days into years, months and weeks. Student, what you will do in this question, you will divide. In a year, 12 months, so you will divide this days by 12. In months, 30 days, definitely, so you will divide this value by 30. And 7 in weeks, there are 7 days, so you will divide these days into 7. Then you can find the. Student, your homework is book page 107. Okay. Question 4, 5, 6, 7. Question, all question you will solve in your copy. Okay, student, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.